Good morning and welcome to Cabbage Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, but not here. Last night, super simple meal for me. Super simple. Yeah. I did oven barbecue ribs. I already had the seasoning blend mixed. All I had to do was put the other seasoning mix into a very neutral barbecue sauce and basically put the ribs in the oven. Super simple. But the ribs, oh, wow, yummy, yeah, hello, fall off the bone. Just, yeah. This recipe will be up in the group. Yeah. Ooh. Robin took the leftover ribs to work. I don't blame her. All right. Tonight, I'm doing andouille sausage with cabbage. Let's get to it. Got the wok going. I like using the wok for this kind of dish. I've got some andouille sausage, bacon, the leftover red or purple cabbage from late last week, red onion, I'm using fresh basil, and there's a garlic, and not the whole package. I have to blend up garlic today. So, and I will be adding a yellow or orange or both peppers. Easy prep, fun meal to do. Now this will probably be served over either egg noodles or white rice. It depends on what my mood is later in the day. So, on this Taco Tuesday, or Terrific Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.